Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity to present for this International Conference of Community Service 2024. Here I would like to present my community service activity, which title Development of Entrepreneurial Ability of Junior High School Students of Muhammadiyah II Kartosuro through Design Thinking Approach. So for the introduction of my community service activity, Junior High School of Muhammadiyah II Surakarta, Kartasura is located near with the Surakarta city, or maybe around 65 kilometer from Yogyakarta. So this school actually quite try to survive in the challenging world, and then their students number also not quite big, and then their facility, their infrastructure also not quite good. So they are trying to improve their quality, they are trying to improve their students quality, and etc. Therefore here I try to figure out about how this school can survive more with the strong student. Therefore, my community service try to educate and train the students how they can find the idea of entrepreneur through the design thinking approach. And then for the method, we are using the extension or education, and then we also transfer the technology regarding the design thinking, especially how they can create good business, good entrepreneur through the design thinking process. And then for the results, in January 2024, specifically on 27 January, I visited the school and then met with the headmaster of the school, which is Mr. Mujibud Da'wah. I gave to the student there. Actually, when you see the picture, it's not quite big school because they are trying to survive. They are trying to increase the number of students, and then I try to give them motivation to keep study in the school, and then to trigger their imagination, their idea, their motivation, how to create a business through the design thinking approach. And then the students quite enthusiastic to hear my explanation and also to follow up the idea how to create the entrepreneur through design thinking process. And then when I was doing the community service in this school, I found that this school is quite unique, and then this Muhammadiyah school is trying their best to educate their student and also to contribute to the society, because they do have some students that have family problem and then personal problem, where they are trying to stand beside of the student to strengthen their motivation to keep going study in the school. It's quite a big motivation for me to continue to contribute or to do the community service in this school. Output of the community service activity of this activity, partners, or which is SMP Muhammadiyah II Kartasura, become aware of the design thinking for creating a business or entrepreneur, and then partners become more enthusiastic in using design thinking for any idea to create something, not only limited for the entrepreneurial activity, but also the other activity. And then through this community service activity, we hope that SMP Muhammadiyah II Kartasura can improve their quality, improve their situation, and increase the number of students and make the student become stronger through various activities. Thank you very much. UMY ada, masyarakat berdaya.